Daily devotion creates a life of grace and abundance. The Devi's grace is always following, invited into your life. Each drop of offering carries immense spiritual power.
Savinayam Tava Pavana Mahashakti Rupe Bhakta Samarpanam. Savinayam Tava Pavana Mahashakti Rupe Pushpam Samarpanam.
The Devi's blessings cleanse and uplift the soul. Breathe the grace and breathe out all worries.
Savinayam Tava Pavana Mahashakti Rupe Deepam Samarpanam. Savinayam Tava Pavana Mahashakti Rupe Naivedyam Samarpanam. Savinayam Tava Pavana Mahashakti Rupe Tampudam Samarpanam. Savinayam Tava Pavana Mahashakti Rupe Shripalam Samarpanam. Mahashaktirupe Samarpanam.
Devi's grace makes every moment sacred. Every ritual is an invitation to spiritual bliss. Open your heart to the divine feminine's power. Daily Abhishekam is a sacred path to abundance.
There is a certain process called consecration where we can make different forms into different types of energies, that it radiates a certain kind of energy where a certain exuberance of life happens. Devi Yantra creates a space and an atmosphere in one's home in such a way that well-being is naturally taken care of.
I feel like I'm actually in a temple every day. I feel like there's a mother who's there to take care of me.
The minute I sit with my eyes closed in front of the yantra, everything just calms down. The very fear of what will happen next or what will happen to me has gone.
The Bhairavi Yantra is for those who are actively involved with life. They want to lubricate their actions with the grace of the Devi. One of the main things which does not allow a human being to find helpful, his full potential is friction. So Devi and all the forms is about that, to bring grace in such a way that you can take up things and do things and you still do not get into friction. Her grace will take care of that. One who earns the grace of Bhairavi neither have to live in concern or fear of life or death, of poverty or failure. All that human being considers as well-being will be his if only he earns the grace of Bhairavi.